Today, I'll walk you through how to build and customize emails in Brevo, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create engaging email campaigns so you can effectively reach your audience. Let's get started. First, head over to the Brevo login page. You can find it at login.brevo.com. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features will still be the same. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Create Campaign button. This is where the magic begins. Think of this step as opening the door to your email creation journey. Next, select Email as your campaign type. This choice sets the stage for designing your email. It's like choosing the canvas for your artwork. Now it's time to type in your campaign name. This should be something descriptive that reflects the content of your email. A clear name helps you stay organized. After naming your campaign, click on Create Campaign. This action will take you to the next phase of your email setup. You're making progress and soon you'll be ready to add recipients. Now click on Add Recipients. Here you can select the audience for your email. It's similar to choosing the guests for a party. You want to invite the right people. Select your list or segments from the options provided. This ensures your email reaches the intended recipients. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, just take your time. Once you've made your selections, click on Save. This step is crucial to ensure your recipient list is finalized. Think of it as saving your work before moving on. Next, click on Add Subject. This is where you'll craft the subject line for your email. A compelling subject line is like a catchy headline that draws readers in. Type your subject line, making sure it's engaging and relevant. This is your first impression, so make it count. Now add your preview text. This text appears next to your subject line in inboxes and can entice readers to open your email. It's like the teaser for a movie, it should spark curiosity. Click on Save again to ensure all your text is stored. You're almost there. Now click on Start Designing. This is where you can unleash your creativity. Imagine this as stepping into a workshop where you can build your email from the ground up. You have the option to create a template from scratch, but for this tutorial, we'll use an existing template. Click on Use Template. Templates can save you time and provide a professional look. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Save and Quit to store your progress. This is like putting your tools away after a productive session. Next, click on Schedule if you want to set a specific time for your email to be sent. This gives you control over when your message reaches your audience. Finally, if you're ready to send your email immediately, click on Send Now. Congratulations, you've just created and customized your first email in Brevo. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.